We'll simplify an exponential expression. The expression is 2x squared times negative 3 times x squared, all of that raised to the 4th power. Well, let's just start going through factor by factor. I have 2 and I have x squared, so I have 2 times x squared. And here I have a product raised to a power. So to simplify that, I raise each factor to that power. So I'm going to have negative 3 to the 4th power times x squared to the 4th power. And now continuing, we have 2x squared. Negative 3 to the 4th power is equal to 81. And when I raise a power to a power, I multiply exponents. So x squared to the 4th power is x to the 2 times 4, or x to the 8th power. Now we can multiply 2 times 81, we get 162. And we can multiply x squared times x to the 8th. And to do that, I keep the base of x and I add the exponents. So I'll have x to the 2 plus 8, or x to the 10th power. So the final result is 162 times x to the 10th power.